Welcome back to FashionGo Dropshipping. In this video, we'll explain what Fulfilled by FG means and what benefits this gives to the products you have in your store. Items that are fulfilled by FG are curated from verified suppliers by FashionGo's merchandising team and are stored in our warehouse. We keep track of our inventory accurately to make sure that your orders are not canceled and delivered to your customers in a timely manner. Fulfilled by FG products are distinguished by the sticker shown on the Find Products page. You can also filter to see all the items that are fulfilled by FG by checking the box marked with the sticker under the Advanced Filter option. And if you have any inquiries about the product, just click the chat button in the product details page and find the Fulfilled by FG channel, where FashionGo will be able to assist you in any way we can. Fulfilled by FG guarantees the highest quality products that are curated and ready to ship out. Try sourcing with Fulfilled by FG today.